What's going on? This is Epic Woodworks. We're super excited about 2025 this year. We got a lot of cool pieces that are going to roll out. Retirement season, typically police, fire, military. This is the time of the year they start to retire, get ready to settle down for the coming summer. So we got a super cool NASCAR piece that we're working on. Can't wait to show you it. All right, this is the next project I'm working on right now. Raleigh fireman retirement piece. He actually works part-time with the fire department with NASCAR. So we wanted to incorporate a kind of a NASCAR theme, but still focus on his service with the Raleigh Fire Department. Show you what it's going to look like kind of with the black and white grayscale kind of thing. It'll be a layered piece, multiple stain colors. What's going on, everybody? Want to take a moment to thank everybody for your support. Epic Woodworks 2025. We're super excited about it. We got a lot of new products coming out. We just launched our new website. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. We can't wait for you to see all these cool projects we got coming out. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so we have the base part done. We're going to put it with my favorite stain, Providential Minwax wood finish. It's a penetrating stain. I love to apply it with paper towels just because I tend to have them everywhere and I don't have to worry about sponges or little hairs or strings or anything like that. Apply this on here like that. Make sure we get it puddling it up in the engrave. It actually makes it, goes in there and gets it that dark transition from the top coat or the top layer of the engraved in the bottom. So we kind of got to let it puddle up in those engraved spots so that way it really pops when we go to wipe off the majority of the stain. Wiped off most of the residual on it. It's just got a little bit of color. Obviously, it's going to be a layered piece, so it doesn't look like a whole lot right now, but I just took some of that natural color out, a little bit of dark stain, and then it's going to have the raised components that's going to cause it to pop once it gets those detailed pieces in there. All right, we're going to apply one of many of the polyacrylic Minwax clear semi-gloss. It's a spray. It's like a water base. It goes on really well. Super awesome. It helps dry your stains sometimes. And it just goes on really well. I don't really like a whole lot of sheen. I just kind of want to protect the wood. Give it a little coat. There's a sheen, quite a bit of a sheen on there now, but that'll dull down as it dries. And we'll hit this a couple times. Again, that's Minwax polyacrylic crystal clear top coat. custom name badge, which will line up just about here once I tack everything down. The hired, the retired, I typically do the hired retired because if you just do the years, it kind of looks like a tombstone. And of course, we want to be excited about retirement instead of death. And here is the Raleigh Fire Department logo or patch. And that's kind of what it's going to look like. Obviously, I'll get it tacked up. I think it came pretty good. Came out pretty good. Flag's kind of for like the finish line towards retirement, and also because he's also part of the NASCAR fire department during the races.